Look, he's opening the fridge.
What's he doing?
He's getting something.
Oh no, not again! Let me get out of here!
No, not this time. Follow me. Hasta la vista. You will not be back.
God aften, mine damer og herrer, og hjertelig velkommen til filmmagasinet 3D Bogart. Aftens første film er den franske musical Party Girl Out of the Dark, eller som den hedder på fransk, Le garçon qui aimait son ordinateur davantage que sa petite amie. Den unge Evaluelle er håbløst forelsket i nørden Sid. Men på trods af hendes frække popo har han ikke øjne for andet end nørderierne, der foregår på hans computer. I et desperat forsøg på at få hans opmærksomhed beslutter hun sig for at vinde over ham i den årlige demo-konkurrence. Og det er spændende.
Look at this nerd, isn't he neat? Wouldn't you think his complexion's complete? Wouldn't you think he's the nerd who has everything? Look at this place, listings unfold. How many effects can one demo hold? Looking around here you think, sure, he's got everything. He's got scrollers and plasma plenty. He's got vectors and texture galore. You want 3D scrollers? He's got 20. But who cares? No big deal. He wants more. He wanna be where the sinners are. He wanna see him golden, holding a lot in that, what you call it? Oh, see. Flipping his beds, I don't get too far. Sleep is required for demo making. Drinking a lot of that, what's that word again? Coke. Inside they coke, inside there's fun. Inside they stay away from the sun. Demos are free, wish I could be part of that world. What if I wrote, if I could code one of these demos? What would they say to spend a day coding with me? Understand that they don't comprehend a woman. I like coding, fond of voting. I wanna play. I'm ready to do what the coders do. Start up compiling, get demos running. sweet.